From taking online surveys to starting an online store, there are numerous ways to actually make money online in this year. However, making money online is changing, and this is how to win at it in this year, even if you are new to it. Most online businesses only require a computer or a mobile device and a solid internet connection. In addition to requiring little or no startup cost, these money making methods, they also let you work independently from the comfort of your home. The first on my list is completing online surveys. Now, with a setup time of a few minutes for users to actually create an account and a minimum age of 13 to 18 years old, the time of payment varies depending on the minimum required amount in order to cash out. So it might sound so good to be true, but you can actually earn extra cash by completing online surveys during your spare time. Many companies pay people to actually participate in surveys for general market research and consumer behavior analysis. These surveys help companies to make business decisions like which products to launch or where to publish or advertise their products. However, not everyone can actually do online surveys. For example, there are some surveys that only target specific groups of people, such as people with certain gender, age, or occupation. Most survey sites provide relatively low pay with a certain earnings threshold. So for example, now you may make $0.5 to $3 per survey, but unless you reach a total of $10 to $25 in earnings, you won't be able to cash out. So for this reason, surveys are not a viable long-term way to make money online. However, if the potential drawback doesn't face you out, here are some popular survey sites that you can actually try out. First is Swagbox. Here you just watch videos, play games, and complete surveys online in order to earn points. Then you redeem the points for cash or gift card. Another one is Survey Junkie, and here you actually help brands to deliver better products and services by participating in their market surveys. And there are other survey sites that you can try. They include Harris Poll Online, Quick Rewards, among many others. In 2021, the video game industry was worth $178.73 billion, which is set to actually increase to $268 billion by 2025. Now, this leads me to the second point, which is testing games and apps. According to statistical.co, video holds the largest of the global digital media market, and as many opportunities have appeared for users to actually make money online by testing games and other apps. So some applications like Display requires players to actually perform specific tasks and collect in-game currency and rewards, which can actually be redeemed as gift cards or real-world money. The Global Beta Test Network by Keyword Studios pays people to actually play games before their official release. Other online games like GiveLane offer real cash prices to users. However, you want to beware of platforms that uses games and apps as a front for scams in order to steal personal information and bank account details from people. So while they provide an easy way to actually make money online, you need to check reviews and ensure that their legitimacy is on point. Number 3 is to test websites and give feedback. So if you have a keen eye on website design and development, you can consider becoming a website tester. It's a great way to actually make money quickly and immerse yourself in the web development industry. To test websites, all you have to do is have a critical and logical thinking skills, excellent communication abilities, and knowledge of website functionality and design. Now, these qualities can actually improve your job prospects and test reporting quality. Payments are usually project-based, and the rates differ based on the testing methods and the platform's policy. For example, the website user testing offers $4 to $120 per test. Website testers who participate in live interviews with clients, they actually make more money. And here are a few other marketplaces where people can actually make money online via website testing projects. So we've got Uber Tester. This is a crowdsourced testing service focusing on websites, mobiles, and apps and games. We also have UserBrain. It's an online tool that offers user experience testing for websites and digital product prototypes. Now, there are other websites that you can check out. They include TestBeds, Userlytics, and TryMatter. Number 4 on my list is mystery shopping. Now, with setup time of a few minutes, you just need to register on the website if you are 18 years and above. You get paid once or twice a month, depending on, different companies. And if you love shopping, then you need to become a mystery shopper, because it is an excellent way to actually make extra money online. Retailers and market research companies hire mystery shoppers to shop at specific locations and report on the overall consumer experience. They monitor customer service, stock conditions, and product quality without the company employees knowing that they are being examined. Now, you can also do some mystery shopping work remotely. For example, there are actually some jobs that involves testing call center quality or evaluating an online retailer's shopping experience. Here are some of the most popular companies where people can sign up to become mystery shoppers. Market Force. Here you can get hired by grocery stores, restaurants, pharmacies, and even gas station convenience shops in order to try their products and their services. Another one is Best Mark. You can become a field representative and evaluator to help companies improve their business operations. Secret Shopper is another one, and here you perform on-site or phone service evaluation for companies all over the world. And the payment for mystery shoppers vary depending on the company. So for each job you complete, you can actually get reimbursed for the items that you've purchased, receive vouchers and gift cards, or you can even earn between $10 and $25 on an average. Now, to avoid scams, remember, you should never pay to become a mystery shopper. And since you will be an independent contractor, companies cannot force you to actually take a certain number of mystery shopper jobs. Number 5, sell second-hand items. Yes. Now, with a setup time of few hours, all you need to do is sign up on the website, take product photos, and create product listings. You need to be at least 18 years old, of course, before you can get paid. You get paid once every week or every 10 days. So selling or renting out second-hand items is another excellent way to make money and a great motivation to start, decluttering your space. Furthermore, selling used items can actually be a way to save more money, since you are only selling items that you already have. After inventorying the items you want to sell, you need to take high quality product photos before listing them online on the online marketplaces. Now, if you plan to do this long time, you need to consider having your own website, or owning your own online store. One of the most popular second-hand item categories is clothing, and the market value for second-hand clothing industry is projected to reach $77 billion by 2026. So this is a good time for you to actually start your second-hand clothing store if that's what you're interested in. There are also many online marketplaces for second-hand clothing and accessories market, and here are a few examples: TradeUp, Etsy, Depop, eBay, Gadget, Reebok. So let me know, which of these money making online jobs will you be starting, or have you already started this year? Please let us know in the comments section. Now, in my next video, I'm going to be sharing with you some easy online jobs that you can actually start today with little or no startup cost. So make sure that you subscribe and turn on the notification bell below, and I'll see you there.